game. And obviously, the biggest game you're sharing over the weekend. Now,
at the Old Trafford.
Yes, at the Old Trafford. And share what the game looked like. Now, yeah, Korea game, you're not with a certain mindset. See, they who say in a season, never call these teams. On my an idea. You bet me who said the new be in the course of the season until we want to watch and then need a person share the quality of the teams. Say teams, squad they improve and the quality of their teams, a cost and I to say another from tea. Yeah, quite question and yeah share Arsenal bet me compete for the trophy. Man United bit me bounce back into the top 4 now, top 6 and ye bisa Rubina more mesua de ye bisa say atata what it takes to go all out. Nti nyoma be brain and ye share nti wo ko hwe game na nyasa game kwana na ko hwe nyoma na a play on our minds net Dawson. Because we wanted to see can Arsenal we got me predict say Arsenal Belgian League this particular season. The mission na me say really can they prove say Omo betimi age league no me predict say Manchester United be bounce back aba be take the place of Crystal Aston Villa and Newcastle. To mention with the mindset say United team said the tie omo betumi a compete at take it back their rightful place. So a lot of things were playing on my mind and I made the share game and so Manini can share how the game went. Now for Manchester United, Manchester made a very positive performance. Adia back when they say no almost like Bruni say cutting edge. Ball no ball. I can't say ball no better at him.
They're not more like a striker. And now said
well, along the lines, that's go bear more. But chances kakrana buy oman to me and utilize those chances. And even though Manchester United bought between Manchester and Manchester bought 22 shots. Arsenal bought 9 shots. Now, yeah, bought game. No, we bought 22 shots. We bought 9 shots. At the actually say, Nipane nya opportunities. Nipane the ball. Ne buy him more so close to a try as we will shoot. 22 shots.
And I hear
Uncle Ziri. Uncle Ziri. And yes, you better admit to say. If you look at the squad, in terms, especially for Manchester United attack, now share lineup of Muparidi and you see quality. In that you have Kuna, you have Mbemo, and then you have Mason Mount.
Okay.
We starting our ball Casemiro Fernandez behind over there. Now, clearly the quality of the team, especially Sesko Sabeka, you could see the United were quality. Until United team winning United team last season, be a bit me the dance say the quality is there. Overall performance. Make an Madame Fabo just say last season United gave such performances.
Wow.
But the difference in say when you game 1 and you could clearly see United looking sharp. The aka and see the ball no control because Ubo game United dominated the game in a lot of the statistics over there. Now 61% to 39%. So in terms of possession, they dominated.
Okay.
In terms of total shots, United bought 22, Arsenal bought 9. They dominated. In terms of expected goals, now United expected goals 1.5. Now Arsenal the 1.3. United ahead. At the back you look out for any big chances created. Arsenal now one big chance created. United
converted.
United nyebi. In the United, even though I'm about 22 shots, it looks like now they were not clear cut or big chances. Yes, or more try be, but they were not clear cut. Adia Bakwa Ruben Amorim will want to work on, and instead they would have very glorious opportunities, big chances. These Ebema strike. For me, if you look at the statistics, a show clearly say United anko jina game no puni to say ebi omo mukwa. In terms of even passes, United bought 393, Arsenal bought 290. Since when? I mean, you know say Arteta would want to play like Pep Guardiola.
But football is not like boxing where points are awarded.
Yes.
So United boss say yeah. Even better. No more lose 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. If you want relegation.
Okay.
Why do you keep praising them?
So the truth, the all can hear true, but the truth of the matter is
the major is to score in a football game. Now, they couldn't.
So United football game winner. Now United lead striker. Because we new one starting. Into along the line, Sesko Ebemu in the 65th minute.
Okay.
65th minute the extra one say if say United eba benya a Sesko oba be clinical based on the who you know the chances if you take 22 shots in a game actually say the positives are there. Now Arsenal the also my said the idea yen jame ade no yen hwade. Now again ade back way say who yen say a familiar problem with Manchester United is goalkeeping errors. Into Onana etna bencha omode belinde on gina mu belinde on ne adwen say oh ene bia na Ruben Amorim solve the goalkeeping problem na say who say bia belinde betimi take over.
Eshui and I would move back
committee 1 error on the error na
that resulted in the goal. Almost he was pushed.
I don't think so. I think it's soft. Now, as a goalkeeper, you could just punch the ball. As a goalkeeper, you also command your area. Baby, I would not there.
Because
that's the way, you know.
Former Santiago goalkeeper was watching. Was in the 6-yard box.
Yeah,
baby, I can't kick the name. Now, me expect to say, go be
absolutely. And as I no, I try and I'll be a yak clear. But or go and the way I play, there was no way I now beat me. You know, so a familiar goalkeeping error. Now United, you can't show me. Donnarumma is available. Martinez is available. There are goalkeepers available. So I won't trust Onana spend the cash, and that is why many Roy Keane and United legends. They feel say no. When we say problem, they are clear. If the problem is clear, spend the money and solve the I don't know so players they being caught. The Sikaba and was spend it. But United goalkeeping error. There. The new players of Manchester United, Brian Mbeumo, Martin Kuna, Omoche say they will give United a lot of quality.
Okay.
Squad depth idea back between the two sides, you could see teams now squad last season, this season squad, you know. Now, substitutions about game anymore. Kai Havertz was a substitute.
Wow.
Noni Madueke, no, a substitute. Julian Timber, substitute. And Lewis Kelly, substitute. Squad a free bench, a Barbiton for Manchester United. Ahmad, a substitute. Benjamin Sesko, a substitute. Manuel Ugarte. And to share squad this season, clearly, one thing is clear that various teams improve in the quality. But once again, Adia Bakwa Yesu and say a win is a win. It doesn't matter how you win. Okay. Win dirty, win clean, you have won. Arsenal win we. And your game be Arsenal Kobo so muko ye be a game Arsenal winning by virtue say opportunity be presented. Goalkeeper a committee blunder. They took the blunder. Omu take your opportunity and they win Arsenal. So clearly a win is a win. Set pieces our game where very important. Open Arsenal they say only a bona when your corner kicker a problem. Defending because that Arsenal's corner kicks specialist, why Juma power. And you could clearly see say Arsenal a lot of the goals this season ebe free set pieces in Aba. Into free kicks are more ball, Declan Rice they are all ball, corner kicks are more ball. And you crucial deciders and move back and they go in so it will be very well. Then again you are back say solidity in defense. This game are more ball. The two teams be very conscious of the defense. Inti ama the way I need a perspective say ka game no mu we didn't see that. So this is few things that the Arsenal United game just for the sake of time. Who beside Chelsea game Now Chelsea will suffer kakra before they would